Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. We did see some showers and even a bit of thunderstorm move through the region early this morning. See that continue to move off the coast as a warm front has moved through the region. We are seeing winds out of the southwest currently, gusting up to 20 knots. Temperature around 73 degrees. We'll see those temperatures continue to rise as winds will be coming off the land today with highs in the mid-80s expected. No real chance of precipitation or lightning today. We have a very slight chance, so under 10% chance of a shower or thunderstorm this evening, but almost all guidance and models are showing us staying dry today. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 9,400 feet, winds out of the south in the low levels and fairly light at 7 knots, then quickly increasing at 3,000 feet out of the west-southwest at 49 knots, and continuing around 40 to 50 knots, all the way up to 25,000 feet this morning out of either a west-southwesterly direction or a southwesterly component. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have this warm front that's currently snaking across the Delmarva Peninsula. It'll continue to move north of the region today. We have an area low pressure currently across Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and Arkansas, giving that area some thunderstorms this morning. We'll see a chance of some severe weather across Kentucky, North Carolina, and South Carolina today, as well as across the upper Midwest. Here at Wallops, we'll see high pressure build in for this afternoon as this warm front continues to move north of the region. That'll give us pleasant conditions today, albeit a bit above normal with temperatures in the mid-80s. As far as our satellite and radar imagery goes this morning, you can see we do have a good amount of clearing skies across the region this morning. We'll continue to see a fair amount of cirrus cloudiness today, but looks like we'll have plentiful sunshine through that cirrus cloudiness for this morning into the afternoon hours with some nice conditions as I explained. We'll continue to see some slightly breezy winds this morning. Very slight chance we see a wind advisory, but overall should see winds below 25 knots. As far as the next few days, looking at the European model, for today that high builds in. For tomorrow, we'll see that high shift off the coast, and that's going to give us a Bermuda high setting in for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with a heat wave across the region, especially inland. Here at Wallops, we'll see one day in the 90s on Saturdays, it appears, but inland locations will see most likely Friday, Saturday, and Sunday all in the 90s. So looking like some hot conditions for mid to late May. As far as the next precipitation chances go, we'll continue to see that high build in for Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday looks like cold front's going to approach from the west, and that's going to give us a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm late Sunday into Monday. Looks like should see some thunderstorms continue to move through the area with that heat and humidity across the region for late Sunday into Monday. As we move into Monday, looks like we should have a weak area high pressure build in from New England. That's going to give us some cooler conditions, a slight chance once again of a shower or thunderstorm popping up. And then into Tuesday, looks like we could have another system moving through with cooler conditions in general for next week, it looks like at this time. And then Wednesday could see another system move through as well. So possibly some unsettled conditions next week, as well as some bit cooler conditions compared to this weekend. As far as our risk chart goes today, we'll have that yellow this morning for our winds, possibly gusting as high as 24 knots out of the southwest. Then winds will become westerly and generally gusting around 19 to 20 knots this afternoon with a drier air mass moving in. As I mentioned, high around 84, low tonight 63 with lighter winds tonight south at 5 to 10 knots. Very slight chance of seeing some low clouds or patchy fog tomorrow morning with those light winds off the water, possibly giving us some low clouds. Looking at our terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions through the next 24 hours. Only chance we see something near or below VFR would be with that fog or low cloudiness building in, but only a slight chance of that occurring overnight. Our tides are running normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday, green charts across the board. Friday, Partly cloudy, mostly sunny and warm, very slight chance of low clouds along the coast. We'll see a high of 82. As I mentioned, inland, if you live near Salisbury, should see 90s on Friday. And then for Friday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, unseasonably warm, a low of 69. And for Saturday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and hot with near record high temperatures expected, a high of 92. The previous record was 91. As well as Friday night, we'll see a low, as I mentioned, 69. That would be a record warm low temperature for that date as well. So looking at the next 7 days, we'll see those above average temperatures from Thursday through Sunday with chance of some evening showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. At 60% right now, looks like should still allow for those thunderstorms to propagate through the area. Then Monday could see continued chance of showers and thunderstorms, as I mentioned, high of 77. For Tuesday and Wednesday, looks like with that cooler air mass moving in, as well as unsettled conditions, more cloud cover, we should see temperatures in the upper 60s or lower 70s, and seeing temperatures onshore both Tuesday and Wednesday should keep it in the upper 60s here at Wallops. We'll also see some slight chances of showers on both Tuesday and Wednesday with that possibility of some unsettled conditions. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.